Welcome. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find all Messenger supervision settings on the Facebook app for PC using the latest update. Whether you're a parent checking what's active or a teen reviewing your setup, these steps will get you there in under a minute. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into the account that manages supervision. At the top right corner, click your profile photo. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. This opens your main account settings panel. Next, look for Activity Log in the left-hand menu and click it. Your activity log loads with several categories. Scroll down until you see Connections. Click on Connections to expand the options. Inside Connections, you'll find Supervision. Click Supervision to view all active supervision links tied to your account. Now, to dive into Messenger-specific supervision, click Supervision on Messenger. This screen shows every teen account you currently supervise on Messenger, along with the status of each supervision link. From here, you can review time spent, contacts, safety settings, and notifications you receive when your teen reports someone or changes privacy options. If you need to pause or remove supervision, you'll find those controls on this page as well. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Supervision on Messenger requires both the parent and teen to have the latest app versions. Some details like message content remain private. Supervision focuses on safety settings and usage insights. If you don't see supervision on Messenger, double-check that you're in the correct account and that your region supports the feature. That's it. You now know how to find all Messenger supervision on the Facebook app for PC. Use this path anytime you need to review or adjust supervision quickly. Profile photo, settings and privacy, activity log, connections, supervision, then supervision on Messenger.